Hello. Today I'm sharing some fun and perhaps surprising facts about blood and its components, and also like, share and subscribe to the channel too. Blood is the body's only liquid tissue. While most tissues are solid or semi-solid, blood remains fluid throughout and carries oxygen, nutrients, hormones and waste and from every cell. Plasma makes up over half of your blood volume. About 55% of blood is plasma, a straw-colored fluid that's 90% water and 10% dissolved substances, proteins like albumin and fibrinogen, electrolytes, nutrients, gases, and waste. Red blood cells outnumber platelets and white blood cells by thousands to one. Each cubic millimeter of your blood contains roughly 5 million red blood cells, but only about 7,000 white blood cells and 250,000 platelets. Your body produces about 2 million red blood cells every second. Each one lives around 120 days before being recycled by the spleen and liver. Platelets are tiny cell fragments that act as first responders to bleeding. At a wound site, they clump together and work with fibrinogen to form a clot in just minutes. White blood cells patrol for invaders, although they make up less than 1% of your blood. The various types of leukocytes, neutrophils, lymphocytes, monocytes, eosinophils, basophils are essential for fighting infections, parasites, and even cancer cells. Blood types go beyond A, B, AB, and O. The familiar ABO and IH systems are just two of dozens of blood groupings. Scientists have identified over 300 different red cell surface antigens. If you laid all your red blood cells end to end, they'd stretch over 1,000 miles. That's enough to span the distance from Nairobi to Khartoum and back. A single drop of blood contains billions of cells. Approximately 250 million red blood cells, 50 million platelets, and 5 million white blood cells are packed into just 0.05 milliliter. Your blood changes color under a microscope. Oxygen-rich blood is bright red, but deoxygenated blood appears darker, almost maroon, because of the way hemoglobin absorbs and reflects light. If you arrive to the end, please leave a comment on what you want for the next video. Adios.